I think most of us laughed this year, including myself, when during a pre-release of Windows 11, Microsoft stated that this would be even faster than Windows 10. I certainly chuckled at that statement, and I'm not ashamed or afraid to admit that I was wrong. Windows 11 is faster. In fact, it's much faster than one of my Linux-based operating systems, which says a lot about Windows. Well, according to a recent Reddit post from a developer at Windows 11, Windows 11 will be even faster next year. I mean, I'm not sure how. I mean, what are they using? 100% full synthetic oil in their system? All jokes aside, according to a recent Reddit post by a Windows 11 developer, yeah, Windows 11 will be faster next year. I don't know, guys. You tell me. What do you think about all this? Will wonders never cease?